के जरा बच के ये बम्बई मेरी जान।
Presented by Niche Entertainment and brought to Atlanta by Mustafa Ajmeri and Krishan Goyal of Global Entertainment and Media Services, the sold-out concert Phir Wahi Dil Laya Hoon mesmerized audiences at the Berkmar High School in Lilburn, Georgia, with an unforgettable evening of music and nostalgia. This tribute to the timeless melodies of the legendary O.P. Nayyar evoked the charm and splendor of Bollywood's golden age, transporting attendees to an era celebrated for its musical brilliance and lyrical finesse. The concert was not just an event, it was an experience lovingly curated to honor the enduring legacy of Nayyar, a composer whose songs have left an indelible mark on Indian cinema. Known for his peppy beats, signature rhythms and soul-stirring melodies, Nayyar's repertoire became the foundation of this homage, performed with extraordinary authenticity by a talented ensemble. Niche Entertainment, led by the talented Milind Oak, has cultivated a reputation for quality over the years, bringing Bollywood's musical legends back to life with finesse. This concert was no exception. Three remarkable singers, Dhaval Chandwarkar, Abhilasha Chelam and Rasika Ganu, took the stage delivering soulful renditions of Nayyar's classic hits with such talent, nuance and emotional depth that they evoked the original brilliance of stalwarts like Mohammad Rafi, Asha Bhosle and Geeta Dutt. The evening's magic was amplified by the skilled narrator Nachiket Devasthari, who brought the songs together with anecdotes from Nayyar's life.
आप लोगों ने बहुत ज़बरदस्त प्रोग्राम हुआ आज अटलांटा में, सबका दिल जीत दिया। ओपी नैयर फिर वही दिल लाया हूँ। मैं और किशन जी ये प्लान किया कि इसको करना ही है, तो बस आप लोगों ने बहुत ही सपोर्ट किया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
टुडे वी हैड द प्रोग्राम ओपी नैयर साहब का फिर वही दिल लाया हूँ, एंड बेसिकली दिस प्रोग्राम is a house packed as usual. Like last year we had Sahar Ludhianvi, year before we had Sahar Ludhianvi Sahab, then Barman Da. So, but this particular one was a little bit different because it was totally on public demand. And we announced last year, and this is the program we're gonna bring. And we are just so thrilled that Atlanta audience and our patrons really support us ईयर आफ्टर ईयर।
अटलांटा और मुस्तफ़ा भाई के साथ कि हमारा पहला प्रोग्राम नहीं है, इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस हमेशा अटलांटा में, वी आर नेवर डिसअपॉइंटेड, इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग। और ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी ऐसा ही और ये सिलसिला चलता रहे, मुस्तफ़ा भाई के साथ हम जुड़े रहे, एंड मे बी सी यू सून टुगेदर। यस, थैंक यू।
संगीत प्रेमी ऑफ अटलांटा, we are so happy to be here. This was an outstanding program, and it brought all the nostalgic and beautiful memories that we had all these years. So thank you for coming, and we look forward to more programs in years to come.
It's one of the best we had from long time. So remembering O.P. Nayyar, it's something very unique, and we found all our community together, very happy hours.
Nayyar's contribution to Indian cinema was also celebrated in a short video interview with Siraj Khan, founder of the O.P. Nayyar Memorial Trust in Boston. Khan, a lifelong admirer of Nayyar, reminisced about his personal relationship with the composer, describing Nayyar's enduring legacy and unique style. The organizers, Niche Entertainment and Mustafa Ajmeri and Krishan Goyal of Global Entertainment and Media Services, thanked all the sponsors for the successful event. The concert served as a reminder of the enduring power of music to transcend time, boundaries and cultures, uniting people through a shared appreciation for art and heritage.